Bible Center Church has been an oasis for over 20 years and a place where prayers have been answered, bodies healed, minds restored, and the lives of the people in our community have been changed. Where the rich history of faith through 3 generations and God's faithfulness continues to shine bright as a beacon of hope. With all that has been accomplished and all the many blessings we have seen in education, employment, entrepreneurship, and our environment, none of this can be possible without you. We want to take a moment to share some of the names and faces of Bible Center so you can become familiar with the many people whose contributions help us make earth more like heaven.
Hi everybody, my name is Tony Holloway. I am the fiscal manager here at Bible Center Church. Been here for a little over 3 years now. I deal with the money. It's not the most fun and exciting role that people be talking about, but it's very important. I deal with all the day-to-day transactions as far as bills, invoices, dealing with customers, paying bills or things like that. Trying to make sure everything runs smoothly on a day-to-day basis. I act in a support function for all of my colleagues here that have various programs. My goal is to make sure that they have the supplies they need, the things they need, the money they need to run their programs.
Hi, I'm Lexi. I'm an assistant director at the Makers Clubhouse, where we provide an after-school program at Lincoln and Faison Elementary, grades K through 5, where we specialize in science, technology, engineering, mathematics. We're always looking for new faces to come help out and work with us. So if that's something you think you'd like to do, please reach out. Thank you.
My name is Brother Romy. I've been blessed with the task of being the facility and the maintenance supervisor. Our job is to make sure that all our spaces are clean. I've been blessed to have what we call the A-Team. The A-Team consists of Brother Pete Wakefield, myself, and Bill Williams, Brother Woody, and God has blessed us with the energy and the strength to keep all our facilities clean, because a clean place is a happy place.
My name is Junior Saunders. I'm one of the transportation drivers. We provide safe transportation for our after-school programs and other programs, and this is the Bible Center Church outreach.
Hi, my name is Rachel Annavalink. I'm a volunteer in the Usher and Greeter Ministry at Bible Center Church. So besides being a welcoming face at the door on Sundays and showing people to their seats, we also make ourselves available to try to meet any needs someone might experience during the service. If they're a little misty-eyed and need a tissue or need some water, we are on the sidelines and try to make ourselves available to be a blessing to everyone at Bible Center Church. So really thankful to be a part of this family and this ministry.